We start to notice wrinkles, fine lines, aching joints, declining health, and other natural consequences of getting older. These consequences may seem inevitable, but their effects can be delayed and managed. Tahitian Noni Original Concentrate is formulated to do just that. It combats the consequences of aging and helps you live younger longer. Original Concentrate provides you with powerful iridoids, which have been shown to disrupt the formation of AGEs, and polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce free radicals and oxidative stress in your body's tissues, allowing your body's organs and systems to function properly. Using Original Concentrate will boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, support a healthy inflammatory response, and help reduce levels of harmful AGEs. We're all going to age, so the sooner you take action to slow the aging process, the better. Tahitian Noni Original Concentrate makes it easy to get started. Just add 1 milliliter to your Tahitian Noni juice, Max, or any other beverage, and give your body the tools it needs to fight AGEs and slow the aging process.